Hello, beautiful people. I'm so glad to have you here. In this video, I want to show you how you can use your internet, how you can pay electricity bill by through your internet banking. Okay, so we go right inside. So if I want to, I don't just want to jump in, but I want you to know how exactly I got there, because most times I don't have the website in my head. I just go to Google and type in Gtbank online banking. Okay, so once you search for that, this is exactly where you're going into internet banking GT Bank. Make sure you are on the right path. Okay, good. So once you click on that, we are going to see the page. All right, so online banking, as you can see. Then if you're not registered, you need to register. Then if you have, just come here and click on the login to account. So once you click on that, wait for it to open, then you will need to log in. Well, the internet is not that fast, so you come here, so you click here to log in. I want to show you quickly. You can use it to pay for any of your meter, be it prepaid or postpaid. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it to pay for your prepaid. All right. So you username and your password, you know it. You keep all of this safe. All right, and keep it very coded. Not just an easy way to. Then you come to proceed to internet banking. So click on that and allow you to take you into your internet banking profile. So this is it. Still opening, because on the left here, yeah, that has opened. Let us go to where we can pay for electricity. As you can see, electricity payment, it is new. Yeah, very new in this platform. So you click on it. All right, so it opens up the different electricity distributor company. All right, so you're in Abuja, you have Abuja Disco, IBEDC. I think this has to do, I don't know, Ibadan or something. So I'm looking for Eco Electricity because I'm in Lagos. There are two in Lagos. We have the Keja Electricity and the Eco Electricity. All right, so I'm clicking on the Eco Electricity payment. So we're on, trying to open. Wow, I need to get the meter number ready. So I was searching for the prepaid meter number while it opens up. All right, still trying to open up while I'm trying to search for the meter number. All right, I've gotten the meter number, waiting for the page to open up. All right, yeah, so you can see this is the transaction history. I've already made a payment sometime last week or so. So I'm going to make a new payment. All right, so click on that to make a new payment and wait for the information. So first, as you can see here, asking for the meter number. I have the meter number here. This is correct. I have 0101. All right, I'm trying to confirm. I don't want to pay to someone else's account. All right, so that is correct. So you now take the meter type. Okay, like I said, I'm making a prepaid. Okay, as you can see, we have also postpaid beneath that. All right, then amount. Let me just buy, say, 3,000. All right. Okay. Then the phone number. I want my phone number. That is not my phone number that is on the account, the meter account. But as I'm making the payment, I want to put my own phone number because I'm buying it for an elderly person. Right. Then email address. I think it's my email address that is on it, but make sure you just put an email address that you can access. So I'm doing just that. All right. Okay. So you click on continue. All right. That's going on now. All right, so let's see what has happened. Exactly, brought out the address. So with that, you can confirm if this is your original address. Okay, the minimum amount 9,900. Of course, I'm buying three more than that. The phone number is there. Then the token is asking for my token. Oh, how do I get that now? A bit far. It's a bit far from me. All right, I'm not going to put anything there. I don't think there's any need for that. Okay, so I've come to I'm going to be charged 100 naira. That's what they charge me. But if I go do it, yeah. Sometimes if I go do it, make payment outside, I'll be charged that as well. So you select the account where you want to be debited from. All right. Set up recurring payment. Will I want to do that? No. Oh, still asking me for a code. Let me see my phone. If I have a code there. This is the device. Okay, so I'm going to press the white button. All right, so I've gotten that now. 281277. All right, so I'm paying. You can see it going just right at the moment. Okay, but the SMS thing is not the star 73710 is not working. I press that on my mobile phone, it's not working. So let's see. Actually, you will be sent a message for the token that you're going to use to punch in into your prepaid meter. First time I tried, it took a little while. So make sure that it is not that your unit has finished before you try it. I was trying to upload again. All right, you can see transaction receipt done. So